I'm Ronald Coat. I'm the CEO of Boers Co 5 Metal Working Group. The 5 Metal Working Group consists of 3 companies. Boers Co started in 1895, so it's a very old company. But at that time they were doing something completely different from now. So through the years we evolved from making rubber stamps into precision parts and assembling also together. Epicor is a very good fit for our business because it's a complete integrated system. It integrates all aspects of our business. Otherwise we would be using like several different systems. We wanted to be ahead of everything, so we are always on the cutting edge of technology, and we also want to do that with our ERP system. So get our users and our customers the best experience.
Upgrading with Epicor is getting easier with every upgrade. We went live with Epicor 9 and upgraded to 10, 10.1, 10.2 and now in 200. IoT will bring us the last step in bringing real-time information into the dashboards of the people working with it. Because it's around the corner or anything, you can see the machine on your mobile phone or everywhere where you want to. The biggest opportunities for using IoT is the better visibility of everything what's happening. You don't lose any information or any time anymore because everything is visible. We're using in a hybrid environment. Well, Epicor is on-premise and the IoT part is in the cloud. The data going into the cloud will bring us the ability to analyze it, not by man, but by machine learning, to get the real insights of what's really happening. IoT will be an addition to Epicor. Epicor is registering everything within the company, but it's missing the last physical step. And the physical step is now being added by IoT towards Epicor.
Epicor ERP is helping us by providing the mesh system, which we use on the shop floor. And every person with us working gives in their data and gets information from that. And that gives us a more detailed cost information about every product which is leaving our floor. With the connected factory, we can lower the administration of our employees so they can do their own job by not being restricted by administration they have to do. We use robots for many years, but very simple robots would put a product in the machine and then people got it later out. Now we're using robots to put in raw material into the machine and getting the product out, and also putting them into a logistics carrier called tech rack. The robots will help us, our company, to make more products, more complicated and more better quality products. Our people will doing more work which is more dedicated, more specialized. So they have to grow also.
It was really a great opportunity to work with the Epicor team and to see the knowledge they have about the system, about the product, but also about the vision to get to a decent IoT platform. I'm really excited to see the factory next year, all the machines connected, everything visible for everyone within the company.